2009 Chrysler Town & Country Touring at Hollidaysburg Auto Plaza in Hollidaysburg, PA. This Town & Country is well equipped with a V6 engine, power sliding doors, a power liftgate, power adjustable pedals, heated mirrors, automatic headlamps, under 84,000 miles, tri-zone climate with rear controls, 2 drop video screens with a DVD player, power front seats, heated leather first and second row seats, third row seats. It's under $10,000. Visit HollidaysburgAutoplaza.com or call 814-317-5233.